Apple has requested Samsung to help them make what could be the beginning of the iPhone replacement. Yes, it's widely rumored that Apple wants to replace iPhone with a groundbreaking AR smart glasses in the future. In fact, Timothy Cooker recently said that AR will become a core part of our lives. It's going to be such a big thing, kinda like smartphones right now. They have even secretly been teasing it in their events as an Easter egg, and well, with all that Apple do, Samsung always plays a pretty major role. Now, this big innovation will have baby steps. Before the groundbreaking Apple AR glasses, we're going to see the AR headset, aka Apple Reality Pro or Apple Optica. According to South Korean media, Apple has requested Samsung to supply them with a whopping 3500 pixel per inch OLED on silicon display. It's going to have an unrivaled clarity that has never been seen on any headset on the market. LG is another company that's working on this, and apparently this display is for Apple's second gen AR headset. The first one that is supposed to come out in 2023 will have an OLED display from Sony. This is just the beginning because Samsung is reportedly working on an even higher pixel per inch screen at about 6000 for future Apple and Meta products. Yes, Meta has also asked Samsung to develop this technology because they too believe that AR is the future. Now, Apple's Mixed Reality Pro headset or Apple Optica is not going to be any ordinary headset. In fact, it will smoke any phone in terms of performance and even laptops, as specs wise it's rumored to have a special version of the M2 processor with 16 gigs of RAM. It will come with its own Reality OS, which could be the name according to the software code. And Michiko says that it will have up to 15 cameras, 8 for AR, 1 for environmental detection, and 6 for innovative biometrics. According to Michiko, what's really going to make Apple's headset stand out compared to competition is its seamless switch between AR and VR. This will create an innovative experience which could become one of the key selling points. Now, as for release date, according to Michiko, Apple could announce this in January of 2023, which is just in a few months. Again, the plans can change, but one thing is certain is that this headset is rumored to come sometime in 2023. From this, eventually Apple will going to introduce the glasses as the tech becomes better, and that could potentially replace the iPhone. The future we see in movies is not that far away. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Now, speaking of the future, as Apple is doing its own thing, Samsung is planning some ridiculous stuff as well. They've made their plans official as they will make 2nm chips by 2025 and 1.4nm chips by 2027. That is crazy to think. Just imagine the leap in terms of performance and efficiency compared to where we are right now, which is the 5nm chips. Samsung is involved not only with their own innovation but also with what could potentially be the iPhone replacement in the future, and I think that's pretty cool. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Do you think this will be the future? Subscribe if you're new. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.